Let's stop it from coming out. It's been on there for almost 20 years. Let's start budging. Hey, it's Captain Brian, and we just replaced our steering wheel. The original wheel is right here, and you can see that, you know, this coating cracked and let water in, and it got all, you know, started falling apart. This stuff is coming right off. So to take it off, you know, you pop this center hub out, and then you can get to the nut here. There's different types of steering wheels, different hub designs. This is a 3/4 inch shaft, and this nut is a 15/16 nut, right? So let's see if I can just get this. There it is. And that turns out I got a big ratchet, and the socket is 15/16, which works. It's a little bit on the loose side. I guess it's metric, but this is 15/16 to do the trick. And you just kind of, you know, hold the wheel, and you know, turn it, and I got it to come out. And then when I took the nut off, I figured the old wheel would just slide right off, but it was stuck on there. All right, it came right off. Let's see if this should come out. No? Let's stop it from coming out. It's been on there for almost 20 years. This is stuck on here, so I'm going to see if a little WD-40 can break it loose. Just a little. And that's pretty typical. And you know, I saw on YouTube some guy was showing how you sort of get your knees behind it and pull and hit it with a rubber mallet, and it'll, you know, on the shaft here, and it'll come loose. But that wasn't working for me, so I got a puller, a gear puller, and what I did was, on the old wheel, this was still on there, and this rubber part comes off. So I took the nut off, but the wheel's not coming off, so I realize now that I'm going to take this thing off, and there's right, and then I was able to get this hooked on kind of like this. Got to be careful because there's not a lot of lip right here, but if you go a little diagonal like this, and then you tighten this thing down, you see the little hole in the middle of the shaft. This has a point on it here, right? Goes right down in there, and then you tighten this with a ratchet, and then until it gets tight, and then it just popped right off. Then I was able to install the new one, tighten it up. There's the shaft has a key on one side, so it kind of goes in there and it won't spin. And the new wheel I got has this speed knob on it, which is awesome. So you can, you know, really turn the boat a lot easier. And that's that. Tighten it up and you're good to go. Yeah, so if your old wheel won't come off, and you try the technique of, you know, pulling and whacking it with a rubber mallet, it may work. If it doesn't work, then the gear puller is the way to go. This made it easy for me, and it was the other way, it just wasn't working. Everything works, honey.
About freaking time. I've only been 20 years.
Hope you like this video and subscribe for more from My Boat Life.